Well, serial blasts in Hyderabad have shown us clearly that a coordinated mechanism is clearly the need of the hour. But it appears that politics will, as always, come first. As an under fire, Sushil Kumar Shinde tries to build a consensus with state governments opposing NCTC. The opposition claims that the fight against terror can coexist with federal rights of states.
Nearly 5 days after terror struck in the heart of Hyderabad city, the finger-pointing and blame game has begun. Opposition launching a fierce attack, blaming the Congress government in Andhra Pradesh for failing to act on intel inputs, an accusation that even the Home Ministry couldn't deny.
देखिए, ये धमाके के बारे में पूरे देश में हम अलर्ट के मैसेजेस दे रहे हैं और हम ये एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे कि जब दो एग्जीक्यूशन हो गए इस देश में, उसके बाद उसका रिएक्शन थोड़ा तो आना था, इसके लिए हम अलर्ट कर रहे थे.
Making the lack of coordination between the state government and central agencies only too evident.
The moment the NIA came, NSG came, when this coordination started, within 2 days they could track down the man from Bihar, man from Nepal's border, man from Calcutta, man from Bangalore, and all these things. This kind of a collection of data was there. They were collating it, but there was no, they were analyzing it. There was no operational joint action.
But the centre trying its best to save face by pitching for a centralised counter-terrorism centre and reaching out to non-Congress chief ministers, reviving the NCTC debate.
I think it's time to consult the states, but do it in a manner which respects the sensitivities of state. Use the anti-terrorism squads in the states, embed them in the state police, have a process of consultation, because this is a sensitive matter.
States like Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Bihar, Odisha, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh and others have displayed reservations about NCTC, alleging that the move would weaken their federal structure.
We felt that the National Counter-Terrorism Center would not solve any problems. Rather, it will infringe on the territory states' responsibility.
Desperate to get a majority, Centre even offering to tweak the contentious clauses. But the opposition still isn't convinced.
Basic objection is that this is a good concept, NCTC is a good concept, but it's a very bad design. It's a flawed design and flawed structure which is taking place. Nowhere in the world intelligence agencies are given the operational powers as decided by the present Congress government.
While India becomes a victim of sinister terror plots time and again, is it not time to shun this needless turf war and reach a consensus? Bureau Report, Times Now.